In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to place a limit order on Robinhood using the web platform. Whether you're new to investing or just want to take more control over your trades, learning how to use limit orders is a valuable skill. With a limit order, you can set the exact price at which you want to buy or sell a stock or ETF, which helps you avoid surprises and make more intentional decisions with your investments. To get started, you'll need to log into your Robinhood account on the official website. Make sure you're entering your credentials on the correct site to keep your information safe. Once you're in, you'll notice a search bar at the top of the page. This is where you can look up the specific stock or ETF you want to trade. Just type in the name or the ticker symbol and select it from the drop-down list that appears. After you find the stock or ETF you're interested in, click on it to open its details page. Here, you'll see charts, stats, and other information about the asset. For now, let's focus on how to start your trade. Look for the Trade button on the right side of the page. Click on it and you'll see options for buy or sell. Choose the action you want to take. Now, it's time to set up your order. In the order form, you'll find a section labeled Order Type. Click on it and select Limit Order from the available options. This is important because, with a limit order, you choose the specific price at which your order will be executed, rather than taking the current market price. Next, you'll need to enter your limit price. This is the exact price you're willing to pay if you're buying, or the minimum you'll accept if you're selling. Type the amount carefully, double-checking to avoid costly mistakes. After you've set your price, indicate how many shares you'd like to trade. You can specify any number, as long as it meets the minimum requirements for that particular stock or ETF. You'll also need to set the duration for your order. You can choose Good for the Day, which means the order will expire at the end of the trading day if it hasn't been filled, or select Good Till Cancelled, which keeps your order active until you manually cancel it or it's filled. Before you place your order, take a moment to review all of the details. Check the stock or ETF name, your limit price, the number of shares, and the order duration. If everything looks correct, click the Review button to move forward. You'll see a final summary of your order. Look over it one more time, and if you're ready, click Submit to place your limit order. And that's it. Your limit order is now live. Robinhood will monitor the market, and your order will only go through if it reaches your specified price. Using limit orders can give you greater control and peace of mind over your trades. Thanks for watching and happy investing.